Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to understand very unique topic called predictive ledger or predictive accounting. This is the topic which is not touched by many candidates. I have seen many candidates are not having the practical knowledge of predictive ledger. Okay, so in today topic we'll be understanding how can use the predictive ledger in our business scenario. Okay, so what predictive ledger brings, what benefit it gives. So if you want to bring the future journal entry into the present, then you can use the predictive ledger. Let us understand with one example. Okay, and this predictive ledger is used for two business process. One is your sales order business process, another is your conquer business process, that is your travel expense booking business process. Okay, so let us first understand how what is called O2C business process or sales order business process. So in O2C, order to cash, first we create sales order. We create sales order. During the sales order, there is no accounting entry. During no accounting entries. Okay. Then you do PGI, billing or PGI, post goods issue. Here, your journal entry, cost of goods sold account debit to your inventory account credit. Okay. So this is the journal entry get created. When you do the billing, then your customer account debit, customer account debit to your sales revenue account. Okay. So this is called O2C business process, order to cash business process. Okay. Now, what benefit a predictive ledger can bring? Now, let's say the moment I create sales order, if I want to see or I want to post my PGI journal entry also, my billing entry also. The moment I create sales order, I want my PGI also, PGI entry also to be created, my billing entry also to be created. Then I can use the predictive ledger. So predictive ledger stores the future journal entry in the present in the predictive ledger. Okay. So here, the moment I create sales order, if I have activated the predictive ledger, predictive ledger, then even this accounting entry will also get posted. Okay. So this accounting entry will get posted during the PGI, during the sales order creation time itself. Okay. So let me put this here. You have not done actual, you have not done the actual delivery, you have not done the actual billing. Okay, the moment you create sales order, your PGI journal entry, your PGI journal entry and your billing journal entry will also get created. Okay, and it will get saved in the predictive ledger. I am going to create a predictive ledger, that will be the PL. It will get stored in the predictive ledger. But in standard ledger, that is your leading and non-leading ledger. No impact. The moment you create sales order, it will not have any impact in the leading and non-leading ledger or in your standard ledger. No impact. Okay. No impact during PGI, no impact during delivery. So there is no impact. Okay, so again I'm repeating, if you have activated the predictive ledger, your future journal entry, that is your PGI and your billing, will get created during the sales order creation time itself, and it will get posted in the predictive ledger. So if you pull the report at present, you can get to know, if you pull the report from the predictive ledger, you will get to know in future how much PGI you are supposed to do and how much billing you are expecting or how much revenue you are expecting in the future. So that information can be achieved from the predictive ledger. Okay, now when you do actual billing, or sorry, when you do the actual PGI, let's say after 1 month, 2 days, 3 days, after 2 months, you are doing the actual PGI. Then actual PGI, whatever PGI was posted in predictive ledger during the sales order time, it will get reversed, it will get opposite entry posted. Okay, it will get opposite entry posted. So here during actual PGI, your inventory will get debited, inventory account get debited, and your COGS account get credited. Okay, it will get another reverse journal entry will get posted. Okay, the and in your standard ledger, this actual journal entry will also get posted, this actual journal entry will get posted. So during PGI, if you see during the sales order creation time and during the actual PGI, in predictive ledger you will have the zero value. Okay, because your debit and credit getting nullify, and actual entry, which is cost of goods sold account debit to inventory, that will get posted in the standard ledger. Okay, similarly when you do actual billing, when you do actual billing, your this journal entry will get opposite entry inside the predictive ledger. So your revenue, your sales revenue account debit to your customer account credit. Okay, this is the journal entry, it will get posted in the predictive ledger. Okay, now predictive ledger, customer debit credit, revenue debit credit, it will get nullified, it will have zero value, and this actual entry will get posted in the standard ledger. Okay, so this is the functionality of the sales order process. Okay, this is the functionality of the predictive ledger. The moment you create the sales order, if you want to post the cost of goods sold, or a PGI journal entry and billing journal entry, then you can activate the predictive ledger. So the moment you create sales order, this entry you can see in the predictive ledger. When you do the actual PGI, opposite entry will get posted and this will get nullified. When you do to actual billing, opposite entry will get posted. But in the standard ledger, during sales order time, no impact. During the PGI time, correct entry will get posted, and during billing time also correct entry will get posted. Okay, and this is where will go in your permanent financial statement. Okay, for external reporting purpose. This is for the management reporting purpose, for management analysis purpose. Okay, so this is the sales order. Similarly, we have concur also. Most of you may not be knowing the concur process. So in concur process, first we do the travel request. So whichever employee or whoever employee is planning to do the future travel or future any company related expenses, okay, then they can request the expense request, they can do the travel request. So the moment they do the travel request, okay, the moment they do the travel request, it will hit the journal entry in the predictive ledger, but no impact in the standard ledger. Then when actual travel expenses get books, actual travel entry is posted. Okay, then whatever entry was posted in the predictive ledger, that will have the opposite entry, and real entry will get posted in the standard ledger. So this process is also there in the concur also. So as of now, It has two business process. One is sales order business process, another is concur process. And let's say same sales order process, if you are performing from any third party tool, let's say this sales order creation, delivery, billing, all these you are performing in third party system, then also predictive ledger functionality will also work. Okay, if you have built the interfaces. Now once you understand the functionality of your predictive ledger, now let us see how to do the configuration. So first step is we have to create one predictive and commitment ledger. Commitment part I will discuss later. As of now I'm focusing on predictive. So we have to create one predictive ledger. So T code is fin.sc underscore ledger. You can follow this path also. Let me go to now SAP, SPRO. Let me quickly create. Go to here. Go to financial global setting. Go to ledger. Go to ledger and create here one predictive ledger. Generally 0E is given by SAP to use for predictive ledger, but I'm going to create new so you'll understand. So I'm going to create one PL, that is your predictive and commitment ledger. Select here extension ledger. Go here and select this P. P means predictive. In 2023 they have added one more ledger called G. We'll discuss about it later. Now select on P, predictive ledger. Give here standard ledger. Okay, sorry, give here underlying ledger. I am giving underlying ledger 0L. Underlying ledger is also known as a base ledger. I hope you know the basic understanding of extension ledger. If not, then please watch my previous videos. Save it. So this is how you have to create predictive ledger. Now predictive ledger is created. Go to here and check your lot of company code got selected. Select all and delete all other company code because it is practice system. So I don't want other people company code should be in my company code. So these are my company code except this, and I have IN10 also. Except this company code, I'm deleting all other company code. Okay, so only these three company code I'm assigning to my predictive ledger. Save it. Okay, once you create the predictive ledger, you can assign the accounting principles also. Okay, go to here, you can assign accounting principles also here. Save it. You assign for all the company code similar way. Now once you create the predictive ledger, okay, now go to second step, that is called activate predictive accounting. You can follow this T code and you can follow this path. I'll tell you another path where all other configuration are available. So go to SPRO, go to financial accounting, go to here. Then here you can see predictive accounting. Okay, under the financial accounting you have the predictive accounting. Select here. So this is the first option, activate predictive accounting. Okay, click here. You can follow this T code and this path also you can follow. You can do same thing from that T code and path also. Now come here, you have to activate at your controlling area level. Okay, it is done at the controlling area levels. Give your controlling area, my controlling area APCA, and this year will automatically pick from your controlling area and activate. Either you want to activate predictive accounting for sales process only or travel also. So I have activated for both. You activate this sales process also and travel expenses process also and save it. Okay, when this is done, second step is check predictive ledger. So here also I'll go because few of the thing I have given here. You can do same thing from this T code also. You go to SM30 and you can give this table. You can maintain same configuration from the this option also, or you can follow the path. Okay, you can follow the path also. This is the second step. Check predictive ledger. Now click here, check predictive ledger, and here 0 is already there. You can add your only one predictive ledger you can activate. Okay, so click here. I want to give my predictive PL and I want to activate it. Hit enter. Okay, and save it. Only one predictive ledger you can activate. You cannot activate multiple predictive ledger. Okay, so PL I am activated here. You can delete this one and save it. Now once this is done, third step is activate predictive accounting for sales order item category. Sales order item category, for which item category this predictive accounting is applicable. Item category comes in your sales order. This is the configuration from SD side. So click here. I want to activate for TAN. Okay, so for standard item category TAN I want to active. Okay, same thing you can perform from this is the table. You go to SM30 T code and you can perform from here, from this table. Let me show you one and remaining you can do. So go to SM30 in case you want to perform from SM30. Give this table, okay, and click on edit. See, same thing appears here also. You can click and you can save. Okay, once you do this one, then last step of the configuration is assignment of sales order type and billing type for predictive ledger. Which sales order type and which billing document type is applicable for the predictive ledger. So that you have to do from here. Go to SM30. This is the table. So this is the SM30. Otherwise, let me go again. Go to SM30. This is the table and go to edit. Okay, so here I have maintained sales document type OR and billing document type F2. So this predictive ledger is applicable for OR, sales order type and billing document type, this one. How to maintain? Let me delete and show you. Save it. So click here, give here OR and give here F2. Hit enter. Okay, so this is how you have to maintain. So this is the configuration you have to do.